Hello everyone and welcome back to our cozy corner of creativity. In today's video I'll be guiding you through the process of making a warm and snugly zipped jacket using this plush teddy fabric. Let's begin by cutting out the pieces of the jacket. Make sure you measure twice and cut once. Next step, I'm gonna be just overlocking all the edges just to avoid any of this fluff going all over the place. Let's start serging. I did my test one and it looks alright. So I'm literally serging over every edge. Remember, the one thing I didn't measure is the zip I have. Oh my goodness, am I being black? Exactly right. Oh, wow, that is the right size. How did that happen? Only goodness. It would have been the most genius idea ever to overlock these edges before sewing. Put it in your knowledge bank. So that's how much fluff it's already created just for overlocking. Hopefully once it's all overlocked, it should be all fine. Now it's time to bring the jacket to life by sewing the pieces together. Take your time and sew with care, ensuring all the edges align perfectly. So I just had a quick meeting with my customer and my daughter and tried it on. Everything seems perfect. So we agreed how to do the bottom hem with some elastic. Good news is the armholes, she said, doesn't need any elastic, so we're just gonna finish it off. The final step is attaching the zipper to our jackets. align it carefully along the front edge. Next elastic. Hood next. How do I make sure I'm not pulling it too much? Okay. Everything in my pouch. So we've tried the jacket on, just the final touches to finish off a hand stitch here, and then the bottom of the jacket where the elastic is cased. I'd rather do it by hand because I think it's gonna look better. But yeah, overall super happy how it's come out. I'm looking already next pattern that I could use this fabric for. I think it's going to be for me something like cozy trousers or something like that. But yeah, let me finish it off. Just need a little bit of music. Lucky, happy daughter wearing it. It's so cozy. Who wouldn't want this cozy jacket? Fall, spring. I love it. Hope you did too. Thanks for watching. Bye.